Hello, Solving Wellness community. I just wanted to talk to you about one of the initiatives that we are going to start up is I was thinking about doing a weekly tips on how to be more productive, or essentially how to make more time. As a lot of I'm a dad of three, work in the ICU, do the podcast, do the wellness thing, and help out with some charitable stuff. And um, I often get like, how do you make the time? And one of the things that I really take seriously is how to be more efficient with time. I study this. I've read so many books on the topic, and so I thought maybe a weekly tips on how to create more time might be valuable to some of our members. Because there's a lot of moms, there's dads. It's challenging to be able to try and do all this stuff, especially even the self-care stuff. So one of the main principles that comes to mind when you think about productivity is really Paretos Principle, or the 80-20 rule, which I live and die by. And what the 80-20 rule is basically, for example, if you're a business owner and you have when you look at your revenue stream, about 80% of your revenue will come from 20% of your clientele. So the deal with Pareto's is like, focus on that 20%. Don't worry about the other stuff, because if you really amplify that 20%, your revenue will blow up. And the Pareto principle of the 80-20 rule applies to so much, whether it's your workouts. 20% of what you do could give you 80% of your gains. When it comes to happiness, when it comes to the food you eat. And so when it comes to some of these tips, you really got to think about what gives you the biggest bang for your buck for creating time. And so I hope that gives you a little bit of at least a framework to think about. And as I said, we'll try and do this on a weekly tip to give some ideas on how to create more time. And so, yeah, thank you, Solving Wellness member. Let's continue to change that boogie. Peace.